Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Hello, Roadies. Happy Foodie Friday. Today's recipe is called Black Bottom Cheesecake, and I found the recipe on the side of the Jiffy brand Fudge Brownie box. I thought I'd give it a try. However, in my toaster oven, the brownie part would not quite set up solidly until I stuck it in the fridge for a few hours and let it cool off and set that way. So you have the option of making it kind of like a gooey dessert, or if you want the brownie part to set up better, then one, you can sit it in the fridge and let it cool down and set up that way, or two, cook the brownie part separately for just a few minutes before you put the filling on top of it, and then bake it and see if that'll help. I haven't tried that way yet, but I did make it 2 times, and both times the brownie part just wouldn't set up until I put it in the fridge. However, it tastes good no matter which way you do it. So go ahead and see how you want to do it and what works best for you. The family loved it either way. You know, I served it hot, so it was nice and gooey, and that was really tasty. And then I stuck it in the fridge and let it sit, and that was a hit as well. So it just kind of depends on your own preference on how you want to do it. Next time I try it, I will probably cook the brownie partially ahead of time instead of putting it all together at once, to see if that'll help the brownie part cook more set, and then we'll see how that one works out. So I'm sure it just depends on the oven that you use. As I said, my toaster oven was kind of stubborn about it and setting up the brownie with the whole mix the way according to the directions. So just thought I'd share that little bit with you. Here's the recipe, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, and you be safe out there, and always take the scenic route, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you later.